There is one aspect of my Duramax that I absolutely hate. See the blue thing there? That's the oil filter. You unscrew it and it pukes oil all over the U-joint in the driveline where it mates up to the front axle. So my trick to not make quite such a mess, take a piece of aluminum foil, cover that U-joint and driveline and whatnot, and then unscrew the oil filter and then have it drain right down there into my oil pan. So I'll set the camera down and get two hands up in there and kind of tuck this aluminum foil in a little bit better. Okay, I kind of flattened it out. Usually I can unscrew this with my hands. It's pretty warm right now and I don't think I've got enough grip with just my right hand to unscrew it. So okay, this has been an exercise in frustration trying to get this filter off because the dealer reefed it on so tight. This is the third different wrench that I've tried and this one's actually working. Before I totally undo the filter, I just want to check my aluminum foil and the positioning of my oil pan. Grease this foil together a little bit. And there it comes. Get good trajectory into the pan. And reposition it just a little bit. And ooh, my foil's about ready to fall off. Socket is that, or my ratchet is actually wedged on the tool, and we'll just let that drain for a little while. And here's the second thing I hate about my Duramax is the oil fill sits parallel with the belt. So if you dribble oil, guess where it's going to drop? It's going to drop right on the belt. It helps having a great big funnel, but I'm going to do the aluminum foil trick again, right there. And I usually buy the oil in a big 2.5 gallon jug. And this is going to be a two-handed operation, so I'm not even going to attempt to hold the camera and pour this. And as I started to pour the oil, the weight of the oil caused this funnel to tip, and I did end up with a little spillage. So I don't believe this is the funnel that I've used in the past. I don't know where the funnel is that I've used before, so those little ridges there, I'm going to trim those off so that this fits down in there tight. Those ridges off and it does fit a little bit better. It still kind of wobbles a little bit, but not as bad as it did before.